My aunt and uncle visited us last week, so my brother went to a fish farm and got us 6 trouts that are cleaned and ready to cook. Since our guests and my mom had health concerns because they're kind of old, I decided to bake the fish instead of pan frying. What is good with any fish? I think lemon. And onions work well too. These are not facts, just my opinions.
That's my opinion!
So, I made a lemon and onion bath for the fish. Also, I decided to be not a lazy bitch and take out all the seeds from lemons after cutting them into slices because seeds might give a bitter taste and we don't want that. None of my slices are good. I know it's because we don't have any good knives at this house. So, that's it. Yay. I washed the trouts before placing them because they waited a bit before I was ready to cook and they were slippery. I placed them neatly because I wanted to impress the household members with this satisfying visual. My mom specifically asked me to not add salt, so I needed a bit of other herbs and spices to cover the non-salty taste. I added black pepper, put bay leaves on top of each fish, break 1 cinnamon stick and lay around the fish so that it can give an elevated taste with the steam. It will give some aroma. Squeeze the lemon leftovers that were not suitable to slice evenly for the fish bath. Lots of lemon juice because that's how I like it, and I think it goes well with fish. Also, I drizzle olive oil on top of everything. I place pieces of butter inside of the fish, not too much though. Lastly, I added the herb and spice mix that I showed in a previous video. That is normally like breakfast mix, but I use it for everything. I covered the top with another parchment paper. I put the tray in the preheated oven. I think it was around 200 degrees Celsius. In the meantime, I made the most basic potato salad, which includes already boiled, waited to cool, and chopped potatoes and chopped red onions. Season them with olive oil, the same herb and spice mix, and lemon juice. Again, no salt, because my mom said so. Kept it simple. Fish needs to be the star of the show for the night, you know. Okay. I checked the fish a few times, so I lost track of how long they stayed in the oven. But after a while, I removed the top cover so that the top skin looked more baked. But since there was so much juice from the lemons and it was so steamy, probably inside of the oven, the skin didn't get crispy, obviously, but no one complained. Everyone loved it. Successful night. See you later.